Spencer Robinson. I am a talent and lit manager at Artwork Entertainment. So Stage 32 is a great company because, first of all, they have a very wide reach. They're a giant, social media networking platform and also education forum for people. So it allows people all over the world to kind of get involved in the film industry, learn from people that are already professionals, and then meet each other. So it's a way to network and a way to get education all kind of rolled into one. I love it. I actually like taking people through the whole process of writing a script. I think it's really fascinating to see kind of why people are doing what they're doing, where their inspiration comes from, and to watch them grow and learn as we go through the process. And I like talking to people all over the world and seeing what they write and why they write it, and kind of helping them, find a great finished product. I'm Spencer Robinson. I'm a manager at Artwork Entertainment, and I am Stage 32.